Welcome to my channel. In this video, you'll discover why many people got very simple algebraic expression wrong, and you also learn the correct way to simplify this using PEMDAS or BODMAS or BODMAS. Then we have 8 minus 2 multiplied by 7 divided by 6. Right here, many people started off with this 8 minus 2, that will give 6 multiplied by 7 divided by 6. Then right here, 6 times 7, that gives 42 divided by 6. And lastly, 42 divided by 6, that gives 7. But this answer is wrong. Then as such, this first approach here is completely wrong. Do not make this mistake. Now to get this right, we are going to have this 8 minus 2 multiplied by 7 divided by 6. At this point, we are going to consider this order of operation called PEMDAS. Now, going through this expression, and with this, we don't have parentheses here, we don't have exponents, we have multiplication, we have division, we don't have addition, we have subtraction. Then note that here, multiplication and division have the same precedence, and the operation here is from left to the right. Therefore, in this expression, multiplication is of higher priority than division and subtraction. Then as such, we are going to first of all consider multiplication right here. Now, this expression becomes 8 minus 2 times 7, that gives us 14 divided by 6. And next, we are going to consider division, because from this order of operation, division is of higher priority than subtraction here. But also, right, we are going to apply KCF here, and we have a KCF, K mean keep, C mean change, and F mean flip. That simply means coming down here, we are going to keep this first value here, which is 14. We change this division sign to multiplication and we flip 6. Then right here, the whole expression becomes 8 minus 14 multiply by 1 all over 6. And if we multiply this out, we are going to have here 8 minus 14 times 1, that gives us 14 all over 6. And we are going to reduce this fraction to its lowest term here. We divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2. Therefore, if we do that, we're going to have here 8 minus 14 divided by 2, that gives 7. And 6 divided by 2, that gives 3. And here, we consider subtraction, and we subtract a fraction from a whole number. Then what we are going to multiply 3 by 8. When 3 multiplied by 8, that will give us 24 minus 7, then all over 3. And at this very point, we are going to take the difference in the numerator. 24 minus 7, that gives us 17 all over 3. And this, that is in an improper fraction. If we take this to mixed fraction, we are going to have 17 divided by 3, that will give us 5, and 2 all over 3. Right here, 3 times 4, that gives 15 plus 2, that gives us 17, and that is correct. or we take it to mixed decimal, we have 5.67 approximate, and this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Now let us consider this also. What if we have 3 plus 2 multiplied by 6 divided by 7 times 3? What are we going to have here? Right here, we are still going to follow this order of operation PEMDAS. Then from here, going through this expression, we don't have parentheses, we don't have exponents, we have multiplication, we have division, we have addition here, and we don't have subtraction. Then right here from this, we have addition, we have multiplication, we have division, we have multiplication here. Then what you are going to consider now is multiplication, because right here multiplication is of higher priority than addition, than division at this point. And from this, note that we move for the operation from left to right and we consider this one first, and this expression becomes 3 plus 2 times 6, that gives us 12, divided by 7 when multiplied by 3. We still move here from left to right, and right here we are going to consider division, and here we are going to apply KCF again here. Note that we have either K mean keep and C mean change and F mean flip. This simply means we are going to keep this first value, which is 12, we change this into multiplication, then we flip 7, and the expression becomes 3 plus 12 multiplied by 1 all over 7 multiplied by 3. And right here, we're going to multiply this out. Simplify this out, we're going to have here 3 plus 2, 12 times 1, that's 12. 12 times 3, that will give us 86 all over 7. When now we are going to add a fraction to a whole number, then in that case, consider addition here. We're going to multiply 7 by 3, and that will give us 7 times 3, that gives us 21 plus 36, when all over 7. When we add up the numerator, and that will give us 57 all over 7.